In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlights on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located in the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. In the trunk on the right side, you're going to see a panel right here. We need to remove that. There's a wing nut at the top. Just twist that to the left. This panel comes right out. Now disconnect the negative terminal. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen this up. Grab that. Take that off. Just tuck it out of the way. Now we're going to remove this weather stripping. Just pull this up. Then there's two screws on this side. Use a T30 socket. Take that off. And do the same on the other side. Now we're using a 8mm socket. We're going to take these screws out. Just go along. Take those out as well. These are broken on this one. I'm going to remove the whole shield. There should be two over here. There. And some in the back. There should be another one right there. Take that down and out of the way. Now I take these two screws out, same 8mm socket. And that's going to be loose. Do the same on the other side. Now I take these screws out on the side, use an 8mm socket. That out. I'll take that out. There you go. Now pull the inner fender well out. Disconnect the connector for the fog light. Just push on the tabs to the side. That's good. If there's any other wires going to it, there's a little retainer right here. Pop that off. That's good. Pull the inner fender well out of the way up top. Use a 7mm socket. There's a screw that goes up. I'm going to take that one out. Pull that out. After you take that other screw out, you're going to take further in. There's a screw right there. Use a 8mm socket. I'm going to remove that. And then that's going to separate right there. Pull that off. And you want to do the same on the other side. And grab the bumper. And it comes right off. We're going to take these screws out. Use a T30 socket. Two up top. And on the side where the inner fender well is, you're going to pull back the inner fender well, and there's a bolt right here. Use the same T30 socket. Take this bolt out. Take that out. Now in the front, there should be two screws. This vehicle, it's missing one. Same T30 socket. Just peel this away and pull that out. Now grab the headlight assembly and we'll just pull it out. You can pull out the wires just enough so you can disconnect them. Just push on the tabs. Make sure you disconnected the battery before you do this. And disconnect the connector. There you go. And the headlight comes right out. We're going to remove this bracket. Underneath here there's a screw. Use a T30 socket. Take the screw out. Right there. We'll turn it around. Right there. Same T30 socket. Take that out. And it slides right out of the bracket. Now I'll take the headlight, we'll line it up in the bracket. Get the bolt started in the side. Flip it around before we tighten that down. And get the bolt started right there. And we'll snug it down. And snug this one down. There you go. Now you can install it in the vehicle. Yeah, I'll take the connector and connect the headlight. Just lock it in place. That's good. Now I'll line it up. All right, that's lined up. Now get the screws started. Yeah, get this one started. If you had another one there, put that one in as well. Now on the back, get that one lined up. Once you get this one in, then we can tighten them all down. All right, that's good. Snug that down. Snug that down. And snug these down. Good. Now take the front bumper. Slide it in place. Now take this, line this up on the side. Take the bolt, get that started. Get that lined up right there. Snug that down, and snug the other one down. That's good. Now I'll line the inner fender well up. Push that back in place. And I'll put the screws in. Right there. And right there. I'll tighten these down. Now from underneath, we're going to connect the fog lights. You could do this if you wanted to from the inner fender well before you put the other bolts in. And take the wire retainer and just push that on to the bracket right there. That's good. And take the inner fender well, slide that in place. And get the screws started. Tighten those down. Do the same on the other side. Now take the shield, get this lined up. And we'll take the screws, get the screws started. And up front. And there's a couple areas. There should be a couple other screws. This vehicle doesn't have those. Now tighten these down. Now I'll put these screws in. And tighten those down. And take the weather strip seal, get those lined up, and install those. Push those in place. Grab the negative terminal, attach that to the battery. We'll snug that down. Give it a wiggle, make sure that's tight. It's good. Yeah, I'll take the cover, get that lined up down below first, just tip it in, and then twist the wing nut, and you're good to go. Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.